How to download Klarna app on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Klarna app on iPhone. So just head over to your app store and simply click on search bar and just search in for Klarna application just like this, and make sure you select the correct one, that is the second one over here. So you can basically shop or pay just like your Apple Pay from over here as well. So you can just tap on this get button over here and just confirm with your Face ID or your passcode. But once you confirm with your Face ID or passcode, it will automatically start installing the application on your device. So based on your internet connection, you just have to wait for a few seconds until it successfully gets installed on your device. So once it's successfully installed, you can just tap on this open button to open the application, that is Klarna, and you can easily sign in with your account and use your Klarna app just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.